Phone's fallen. Can't get it flat down, man. Jeez, almost hit the car there, man. Yeah, this road is busy today, man. Apparently there's a football match on, innit? I see one of the stewards, I thought it was security, innit? You know what I mean? Because usually these private places, construction sites, security come and they kick you out. But he was a steward for the football match. And he said there'll be cars coming up and down. You know what I mean? It's usually quiet this area, man. It's Saturday today. Yeah, there's a football match on, you know what I mean? Kiddie, FA football match or something in the park down the road. So, yeah. Jeez. Yeah, I'm running 6S on this one. As you can see, you know what I mean? You got to go easy on the throttle because it'll do all that kind of shit. Where's the throttle thing? Making some noise there. Making some noise, man. Fuck you, no. It's midday here in London, man. It's a bit cloudy out and windy. I think it's cut off. Oh, I thought it went into LVC or something. Because I got the Corrali ESC in it. The Corrali 6S ESC in it. You know what I mean? body's fucked. Oh! See that flip there, man? Oh, it's cut off. It's gone into thermal, I think. Because as I said, I'm using the Crowley 6S ESC that was in the Kronos. So it's probably gone into thermal, man. Or maybe it could have been, I don't know if it's LVC or thermal. It's one of the two. Let's see. It's one of the two. It's either thermal or LVC. Body kit now. Yeah, it's gone into thermal. Not, yeah, thermal. 72% still in the battery, man. So, anyway, leave that one there, man.